Now, this one is for the high risk, high reward fans out there that like getting into DeFi protocols nice and early before they potentially get really, really big. So today we're going to check out a new altcoin in the space, in the crypto space, do a bit of a review on this one right here. And yeah, let's check it out. So hope you guys are well. If you're new here, slap that subscribe button. So we're looking at Hydrachain today, and there's something very interesting that is going to be happening soon around this particular project right here. And we see Hydrachain solving the total supply problem. Hydra is an open source proof of stake blockchain with a unique set of economic features. It packs a unique combination of inflationary as well as deflationary mechanics as part of its economy that works in parallel and lets the real adoption define its total supply. So really, really cool, guys. This one right here, we can see Hydra has already pre-existed, and at the moment it's got a very, I'd say a low market cap, but quite an impressive one to be fair, of $15.4 million. So if we go back in time, we can see this coin has been thriving before, and it actually had a really high market cap over here of $177 million. So with it being $15 million right now, it does give it that 10 to 20x potential by the next crypto bull run. So very, very keen to see where this one could actually go. Now, of course, we can see this coin is trading at lows of around 75 cents at the moment. It could be paving its way back to $1, but we're just going to explore what is going on, because on the 16th of November, there was a hard fork event, and that's why you know, this is very, very special right here. So let's just check out this article before we look at the price analysis of the token. And it says here, analysis of the Hydrachain hard fork and Hydra liquidity pool launch. So this is really exciting, this next part, the Hydra part. So the recent Hydrachain hard fork on November 16 marked a major milestone for the network activation at block 1.517 million, and this enabled one of the most anticipated features. It says here the launch of Hydra liquidity pool on the Hydra decentralized exchange. This new pool unlocks a myriad of benefits and opportunities for Hydra holders and the broader ecosystem. Hydra is the protocol integrated liquid staking derivative of Hydra, allowing stakers to maintain liquidity. The Hydra introduction promises to accelerate development and synergize network activity. You can see, according to announcements, the pool launch strategically utilizes liquidity zones to bootstrap stability by locking up circulating Hydra supply. The initial discounted Hydra ratio incentivizes Hydra accumulation, potentially prompting a surge of Hydra buying. So there could be a load of volume coming soon for Hydra as well. So benefits and opportunities unlocked by Hydra here. So we can see the launch of Hydra pool will create benefits for communities. Firstly, Hydra allows stakers to put assets to work via lending, liquidity provision, and composable yield farming. Protocol powered leverage staking becomes available by utilizing Hydra as collateral to acquire additional Hydra to stake. This can boost APY by over 2x. The lower Hydra price, the higher leverage for Hydra buyback/burns using protocol fees. This creates organic value accrual for holders. Additionally, Hydra integration at the protocol level provides superior usability and security compared to external liquid staking solutions. So you can see for investors, for people to get into it, discounted Hydra rates at launch incentivize accumulation and could prompt surging Hydra purchase to acquire the derivative token right here. And there's another bit of PR here, a good bit of articles, and I really like the artwork. You know, it's a cool thing. Protocol level liquid staking arrives, how Hydra ushers in a new era. Right here we can see the deployment of Hydra liquidity pool will happen via a much anticipated launch event. It will unlock a series of financial benefits that come with the liquid staking protocol, allowing Hydra holders to stake their coins while keeping full liquidity and utilize the value elsewhere. This is achieved by minting Hydra tokens against staked Hydra at a 1-to-1 ratio. So that is what we're effectively seeing here. And you know, it's another sidearm, it's a side chain of this website that we can see right here, which has got good APY, tons of blocks mined, loads of staking rewards have already been paid out for this particular ecosystem right here. And I guess not many people are talking about this one, but I wanted to highlight it to you guys. Remember guys, it's not financial advice. But, you know, they've got nodes, staking economy as well, and they have a bunch of different things like the Hydra DEX, a Hydra Bridge, which you can see right here. So, for example, we can actually launch the Hydra DeFi DEX just like Uniswap. So they've got their own chain and DEX right here, which is really, really cool to see that DEX embedded on the website. And this is all the essentials. You've got the desktop client. We can actually download your very own client, a block explorer. You've got the white paper, which we'll check out in a second as well. So that makes me overall feel pretty bullish. The Hydra DAO, Hydra liquidity pool launch proposal. So right here, this post outlines the proposed strategy for the launch of Hydra liquidity pool. Rationale: the launch of Hydra pool will be an important milestone for the Hydra ecosystem and usher in a completely new era for the network. As such, it is important to think about the liquidity strategy and analyze its effects with care. The main objectives of the strategy are defined as achieving a strong liquidity depth that would allow network participants to execute high-value trades with little slippage, minimizing unfair situations where one or few individuals take advantage of a preferential rate at the exact moment of deployment. Jeez. Thesaurus, guys, who wrote this? Just because they managed to make the trade a few seconds faster. Another thing here, another objective of strategy, mitigating the risk of Hydra being dumped due to an artificially elevated rate, ideally achieving a net deflationary impact on Hydra via lockup of initial Hydra liquidity as part of the launch. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? This could potentially be pretty good. Here we have the Hydra White Paper 2.0, which gives you the introduction and everything. I will share all these documents with you so you can actually read this yourself, do your own research, of course, thoroughly. So overall, that is what I wanted to share with you, so you can check out their Twitter page yourself. Join the Telegram, become part of the community, because something big could be spawning very, very soon here, which could potentially make you some crypto gains, right? So Hydrachain, it says here, and another new proposal in the Hydra DAO. This time we're excited to announce a proposal for adding USDT, Hydra, and Hydra pools to another decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap. So this is pretty cool. Expansion of Hydra liquidity towards Ethereum, following a dual asset strategy with Hydra and Hydra, deploying a Hydra USDT pool through LM campaigns, deploying a Hydra pool via the DAO treasury, then a 3-month trial period right there. So it's worth having a little look at. This is the proposal for the expansion of Hydra into Ethereum as well. So there's a lot of development going on in the back end for this particular project right here. They are pushing hard, they're growing fast, exponentially even, and you can see, look, it's a proof of stake blockchain with 30% plus APY, 20 cents transaction fees, and much more. So 19.6k followers, they're getting a lot of retweet, lots of impressions here, lots of organic growth by the seams of things as well. So some big key news is coming out for this particular token. So guys, make sure you do check it out. It's down below if you want to have a look at this project right here. All the links that you need to, of course, check out Hydra, join their Telegram, as well as follow them on Twitter. Hope this was somewhat useful. Remember, it's not financial advice, and always do your own research, but it's always exciting when we see a new project come to the space. So I think it's worth taking a look at this one here, especially for those that enjoy the staking and the sort of DeFi, the centralized finance, staking rewards and passive income opportunities. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, like, comment, check out the Discord down below, and make sure you give Hydrachain a little follow on Twitter as well. Thanks for watching. See you, and stay crypto safe.